everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to get the Aurora Mutation fruit in Grow a Garden 2 during the fall harvest update. So this method is actually real easy. First, make sure you are logged into the game when the Aurora weather event happens like this. You can recognize it by the dark sky with beautiful rainbow-like sparkles like this. Just like this. And once the aurora weather starts, you don't need to do anything complicated, just simply wait for your plants to get affected by the aurora mutations. You will know a plant has the mutations when it starts glowing with these beautiful white and blue sparkles like this. For example, in here my strawberry and my bamboo have both been affected by the aurora mutations like this. And once you see the aurora effect on your crops, just simply harvest them and you will get the aurora mutate fruits like this. Like this. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.